This hive's got a bunch of bees in it. It's got one deep box and 3 shallow boxes on it, and then it's slap full of bees. I'm gonna add a medium to it with some new wax foundation, no comb. Pile of bees in here, I'll probably get stung. It's full all the way to the top. Ow! Damn it, I already got stung. This hive likes to sting. They've been pretty aggressive lately. Trying to gently take the top off. Ah, dang it. You got them bouncing off of me trying to get me. It's unreal how many bees are in this hive. It's a swarm we caught in May, and we just robbed it last week. Very strong. There's one of the cheering in the corn patch. Oh, forgot the beetle trap. Crap. I'll do it tomorrow. I don't feel like getting stung again. Pretty good bit baked. Good bit of bees. Couple thousand. slung 3 frames off of this one and got over half a gallon. Small frames.